Hi, so you want to know how to set up a drip system, where we have plenty of different options here, depending on how your setup is. We have this one right here. It comes right off of a hose bib. This is usually people do this for their gardens. They want it something that's independent from their other system. We have a battery operated timer, your filter, your regulator, and your adapter, and that can go right into a 5/8 inch tubing. You run that right out to your garden and just start running your emitters or sprayers off of that. If you have an existing valve already that's a pop-up sprinkler system and you want to convert that area over to drip, we have the same thing. You use the original valve, you remove the piping on the downhill side of the valve, and you can install your filter, your regulator, and your adapter and go right into drip that way also. The great thing about drip irrigation is it's so versatile. If you don't want to go to that much extent, say you have a nursery pot or a plant pot right next to your porch and you have an irrigation system right there, and you just want a drip to run that one plant so you don't have to get out there and water it every day. We have an adapter right here. If you have a sprinkler head in the area, you can go ahead and just remove the sprinkler head. You thread this right on there. You thread your sprinkler head right on top of this. You have a 1/4 inch port right here you can connect your drip line to, and just run that right into your pot and you're good to go. That's one real simple way of doing just a simple project like that. We also have the 4-port manifolds, and we have an 8-port manifold. These pretty much work the same way as this one. If you have a sprinkler head in the area that you want to change over to drip, you can do that too. You don't need a filter or a regulator with these. Both of these products are good up to 100 pounds pressure, and they have a filter inside them already. The 8-port actually has individual flow controls for each one, so you can adjust the flow for different plants. These also really great item. Then we have the conversion kit. If you want to just convert from a sprinkler system or from a sprinkler head straight over to a drip line, drip tubing, we have this one right here. You just remove your sprinkler, thread this onto that 1/2 inch riser. It has your regulator right here, and it goes right into a 5/8 inch T, so you can run your 5-inch drip tube in both directions and cover a flower bed or a garden or however you want to do it. Rainbird also makes the same thing. You actually just remove the existing head and install this one, and it comes with the adapter to go right into your drip tubing right here. Like I was saying before, drip irrigation is so versatile. You can do so many different things with it. It's easy to do, it's affordable. Perfect example of I have a father-in-law that would go on vacation consistently and he'd always ask us to come over and water his hanging plants he had on his back porch. Well, all I had to do was just pick a head in the area, convert it over to drip, run it up the column or the side of the wall and across the eaves of his roof. And from there, I could just drop down the 1/4 inch lines right into each pot, and that took care of the whole situation. It worked great for him. It worked great for us. It's just an example of what you can do with this. Like I said, it's just simple and affordable. Okay, so here we have an example of a cut in our drip irrigation line, and we're going to show you an easy fix for this. You just grab, you could use your hand pruners or even a knife and just cut the line right at the slot where the break in the line is. We use a compression coupler to put the two pieces back together and repair the line. And then the next thing we're going to show you is we have a situation where we have a hole in the line and we use a goof plug to repair it. And then we have another situation where we're going to show you how to add an emitter simply by using the tool, poking a hole in the line, and then just inserting the barbed end of the emitter into it.